We're all set again. Good morning. Day 3. We're about to explore Disney Downtown. Sabi ni Zane, it's his shopping day today daw. We're just gonna go ahead and stop by for lunch and walk around. It's double lock, little boy. Alright, go. Yung susi na sa'yo na. Hi. Our room is right beside the elevator. Hallway and hallway. Okay. So, getting in. So, this is our room, right? So, ito yung pool. Mamaya they're gonna try to swim there later. Kasi medyo malamig pa yung water. So, I think it should be okay later. So, yan lang guys. Paglabas mo ng gate, ayan na yung Disney Downtown. That's a good thing with the Disneyland Hotel. Here's the main entrance for the Disney Store. Access to Disneyland Hotel. Landmark. Lining up for security. After the security, so here's the Disney Downtown. Punta lang kami sa restaurant to eat lunch. It's 11 o'clock. And yeah, we're going to Disney Store. We are about to try the Din Tai Fung. Let's see. Little ones having fun. Meron silang mini park or playground here. So we're waiting to check in. Getting in to Din Tai Fung. Checking in. Din Tai Fung restaurant in Disney Downtown. So we just ordered here at Din Tai Fung and buti na lang nakachamba kami ng walk-in. Hindi pa. So we're getting started. Ako ang may favorite dito. Thank you, asawa ko.
Okay na.
Hubby got a matcha green tea latte. I got a mango green tea. And appetizer is a cucumber salad. So now about to try the cucumber salad. Sarap. Refreshing. The cucumber salad. Super good. Refreshing. Sarap. Gusto ko yung cucumber na may vinegar and pepper. This one is with chili sauce. And we got our black beef pepper tenderloin. This is our pork shrimp siomai. And my favorite of all time, pork xiaolongbao. And I am about to try the beef tenderloin. Yes, anak. Beef tenderloin. So tender. So, the beef tenderloin is really good. Put some mushroom in it. Yummy. Sarap. It's one of the best beef tenderloin na na-try ko. Sarap. Try another bite. How to eat xiaolongbao. Dip it. Makampaso ako. Sarap. Noodles with minced pork. Siomai. So big. Ang laki. Para lang siyang xiaolongbao din. Magkapareho lang sila ng lasa. Trying the noodles. Hindi ko makuha. Okay, trying the noodles. It's alright. Okay lang.
Parang cold noodles.
Late. Hindi. So, we finished the xiaolongbao and the tenderloin. The noodle is okay. We're just waiting for the dessert. Siomai, there's still some left kasi that's Zane's favorite. For the dessert, we got the fresh mango ice shade. Look at that, so gorgeous. So now trying their ice shade mango. Wow. Some mango on the side. Sarap. Thank you. Good. This ice shaved mango is so far the best I've ever tried. Ang sarap ng dessert na to. Super. It's almost out. Ang sarap kasi. Yummy. Another unique dessert, chocolate mochi xiaolongbao. And now, trying this chocolate mochi xiaolongbao. They said it comes with, this is extra charge, whipped cream with sea salt crema. They said gotta dip it here, like that. And oh, that was too sweet. I still love the mango ice shade. I still love the mango ice shade. So, review. Overall, okay lang. I guess may na-try lang tayo na dim sum spot na hindi ganito kamahal pero masarap din. I love the... So, number one na favorite is the beef tenderloin in black pepper sauce. That was really good. I think that's really worth it. Tapos, xiaolongbao is okay, siomai is okay, and their noodles is okay. Then we tried the mango ice shade. That's, wow, really smooth, powder-like ice shade. Sarap ng mango, fresh mango. It's not that sweet. Refreshing, satisfying. The mochi xiaolongbao is something different and unique. I'm glad we followed the recommendation with the sea salt crema with whipped cream because it kind of blends the sweetness or else it's gonna be too sweet. So for those people who are gonna try out Din Tai Fung, the xiaolongbao mochi, combine it with the sea salt crema and then it will minimize the sweetness of the dessert. Overall, okay. It's good. I can eat it again. But then I guess I can still try another spot in terms of dim sums kasi I have tried other spots ng dim sums that's not gonna be that much. Now, it's Saint's time for what? Shopping! It's time for shopping. He said he wants to stop by at the Disney store. Today is our last full day here. So, tomorrow we're heading back home. Kaya we're just gonna walk around a little bit and meet a friend later tonight for dinner. This is downtown.
Come on, you have to walk.
Oh. Let's go. So here's the Disney downtown. This is one good thing here. No matter what, parang ang saya-saya lang. You know, the music, the vibe, a lot of kids happy. Ganyan lang yung vibe. Kaya nga happiest place on earth. So that's a Star Wars store. And he wants to go to the Disney store. Ako yung magdala ng ano. Nito. Teka, yung bag mo. Alright. Yan yung mag-ama ko. Ooh, balloons. Now we're going to... Here's the... There you go. Saya lang. It's a good day. Sunny. Ito yung pinakamatinding temptation. Oh, Lego store is closed. It's under renovation, I guess. Ay, mali. Bukas pa rin pala. Bukas pa rin pala. Patay tayo dyan. Yung anak ko. yung mata ng anak mo, asawa ko. No, Disney store muna. Disney store first. That's what he wanted. Lego too? Huh? Build some Legos? But I thought you wanna go swimming. Huh? Some restaurants in the area too. Here at Disney store, Sibigay. Yan. Pero the last time we were here, we were just trying different food from different stalls, like drinks, donuts, mga ganon, pretzels, corn dogs. This is good. Benet Express. Try that. Highly recommended. That's yummy. Freshly made ones. And now we're here, getting into the Disney store. Nice vibe lang, oh, 'di ba? Ganda. Kahit maglakad ka lang dito. Crazy. Yan. Yun yung mga stalls for food. This is the shopping district here at Disneyland downtown. Dami pa rin tao, no? Even though we say economy, people can still find time to enjoy, which is good. That's heaven for Zane. Sweet. Okay, we're almost there. Jumbo. Here go. World of Disney store. Getting in. Dito na po tayo mapapahamak. Dito na tayo mapapahamak. Hey. Gotta decide. Buzz. Wow, Zane. Can I see that, Dad? Is that it? Bubble yata yan eh. Ano? Is it? Oh, wow. Ano?
I don't know.
At tututututut.
Don't let
Keychains. Lahat ng tentasyon po dito. I thought you don't like pirate.
oh, yeah, advance.
Go, go follow daddy. Yan. Hindi naman mapakali yung anak ko, guys. This is heaven for him right now. Yung anak ko, guys, aligagana. Ayun na. What are you getting? Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Hi.
Look at this one.
Oh my God. That's enough. Bagsak ang bagets. Nakuha niya na yung gusto niya. So, nakapamili na siya ng toy. And it's with Daddy. We're just waiting for Daddy to check out. Sleeping. So, our Disney downtown walk around and eating at the restaurant is done. So, that will be it for this clip. And join us again on our... We're gonna try a seafood buffet later on. So, bye guys. Till next time.